So after a vigorous protest and discussion with the Vice Chancellor, between the Vice Chancellor and the students, it has come to a conclusion that these following 5 points will be resolved within a period of 15 days.
Harian ka jing khi ka ba shipor jong ki samla pule ka school ba nehu bandawa ya ki jingdan kam jong ki samla pule nakalyang u vice chancellor ka ni ka school ba nehu uprabha shankar shukla ula kular ban Pynurlong ya ka Jingdawa jong ki samla pule Hapoh ka khat Sngi habakran bagla pathai khubor u advisor ka nehu student union ulaya thu ba hadian ka jingkran ba u vice chancellor ula penpau bakum ka kunhon jong ki samla pule ka ni ka school ba kini ale ka bala ban Sngi ki jing e jong ki samla pule shakinok penyat ka ni ka school ba.
A very good afternoon. I'm Brandon Baron Paswit, the advisor of the Nehusu. And so after a vigorous protest and discussion with the Vice Chancellor, between the Vice Chancellor and the students, it has come to a conclusion that these following 5 points will be resolved within a period of 15 days. That is to ensure the Wi-Fi connectivity within the hostels, arrangement of more buses for the transportation of students, maintenance of quality food and water in the hostels, availability of sufficient medicines in the Nehu Health Center, and finally, the initiation and of the repair work in the hostels.
So are you satisfied with
the student body? We are, it is a means and a step forward towards our initiation to the betterment of the Nehu community as a whole and for the students. So this is just a simple small steps. These 5 points which has been assured to us that it shall be completed within the span of 15 days is a small step into the initiation of our the whole memorandum which we have placed. So we understand that all the vigorous agendas which have been placed cannot be fulfilled in such a short span of time, but all these agendas which can be done so has been taken up and has been assured to us that it can be fulfilled within a span of 15 days.
Habakran sekilar pathai khubor nakalyang vice chancellor ula penpau baki samla pule ki dan hok ban pa ne laki jingdan kam jongki bat ukular ban yale kat bala ban penbyang ya ki jingdan kam baki pan klen da ya la ya ki an ki kanun jaka sarkar bat kani ka school ba nehu.
Student can agitate, can say anything, but ultimately he also agree. I given him in writing also complete their five demands, which is related to the Wi-Fi, food, then the hospital, then initiation of work, cleaning and others work in the hostel within the 15 days. Student can ask any demand, and I always trying to fulfill the demand of the students. Just like some problems related to the department, some problem related to the schools, some problems related to the administration, and also some problem related to the finance. I already before today discussed the problems of the student with the different sections, and all the sections are doing their best effort in this area. And the message already conveyed the student. So I already instructed the concerned person, and they are doing their best efforts. But it will take some time, no? Even just like UK University, within the 2 hours or 2 days or 7 days, it's not possible. Even I also already advertised the post and going to fill up the post, and hope as soon as possible I am trying to fill up the post of the advertised post of the teachers and non-teaching staffs.